So guys, in today's video we're going to be making a cheap and a low budget buttercream. Okay, so for this cheap and a low budget buttercream, all we need is our icing sugar and our margarine. I'm going to be using King's sachet margarine. Okay, this is 250 grams. Then for the icing sugar, I'm using 1 kg icing sugar. Okay, so I will go ahead and sieve everything until I'm done. So guys, here we are. The 1 kg icing sugar is ready. I'm done sieving it. So the next thing I will do is to get my sachet margarine. If you don't want to use sachet margarine, you can use any other type of margarine you choose to use. You can use butter if you want to use butter. Remember I said this is a low budget buttercream recipe. Okay, I will go ahead and open up the margarine and I will add into my stainless bowl to cream it until it is light and fluffy before I start adding the icing sugar. If you want to use your mixer for this recipe, you are free to use your mixer. Okay, but I'm not going to be using mixer for this recipe for the purpose of this class. That's why I'm using spatula and stainless bowl, so that people who do not have mixer can as well mix their buttercream. So guys, you are all welcome back to my channel. Okay, I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers for coming back to always watch my content. I really appreciate you for always doing that. For my new subscribers, or if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, because we share amazing recipes in this channel. Okay, subscription is free. You don't need to pay before you subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. Okay, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will always be notified each time we post our new videos. Okay, hello beauties, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, give this video a massive and a huge thumbs up. Okay, and if you can share this video, please help me share this video. Someone in your community might need this video. Okay, help me share this video so that other people can as well benefit from those videos. Okay. So guys, at this point I'm going to start adding the icing sugar gradually. I'm going to be doing it bit by bit. Do not pack everything at once because you will find it very difficult to turn it together. Okay, I'm going to be doing it little at a time until everything is well combined. Okay. So guys, I will go ahead to add 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, if you notice your buttercream is too hard, you can add water. If you don't want to add water, if you have milk, you can as well add milk. Okay, so guys, here we are. The buttercream came out very fine, fluffy and creamy. Thank you guys for watching this video till this point. I really do appreciate you. Okay, please keep checking on our channel as we have amazing videos. Okay, so this is what we have. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.